There we go. Here is Ham on July 4th. Or to be more accurate, perhaps I should say the suckiest 4th of July ever. There have been no fireworks today, and the only thing we saw of the parade was that it was blocking our way to breakfast. I think that I might just not like 4th of July anymore. Hello, this is June 5th. Have you ever had one of those almost not quite deja vu moments? I just figured out why I was having this feeling. I feel like Dorian from Scrubs. What an odd sensation. My life as Dorian. And that is why they take a flight to the other side of the world before they tell the monkey to take the cork out.